What's up, guys? It's been a minute. I've been busy. A lot going on. New jobs. Still looking for a house. I think the last time I was on here, I was saying that still. It's been about a year. But new projects, new ideas, and new things. So I'm going to try to start bringing the channel back again. I don't have a lot of time to do this. Hoping that I can do it, but you know, it is what it is. So a couple new things going on here. My daughter had a junior last year and the year before. It was that one. Well, she upgraded. Oh, and don't look at that thing in the back yet. I'll get to that. So nice little setup here. The body's actually out getting wrapped right now. She got a new wrap for it. Had some cool sponsors kick in for that. Just friends. But we got another motor right there. That's the one that'll actually be going on this. It is not going to be going 890s. She is only 8 years old. So being 8 years old, believe it's only 1190s that she can go. That is an 1190 motor. We'll have to add some weight. And we got to do some changes on it yet. But it's February. Season don't start till April. So she's going to be out here in the next month here, helping me out once we get the body. I got a good friend of mine polishing the wheels. Like I said, I picked this up for a deal. So a couple things we had to change. I got to buy some belts for it. She actually outgrew her helmet. So she has to get a new helmet and her Hans device. Thankfully, I have a son that should be doing it on the last race at our track this year, this 2024. He'll be 5, so he's probably going to run that. Hopefully one time. He says he wants to. He said he's going to wait until he's 5, which he knows he has to. So, and that car's 33, 35 miles an hour. Not that fast. Well, we might as well come over here because you guys have definitely seen this here. It's a 79 Malibu. I picked this up over the summer. Ran low 10s, real low 10s. I touched a 9 on big tires. So it does fit a 3214. So not small bigs, but bigs. Yeah, it was real low 10s with a 355, and then I had a NX kit that I had put on it that was 200 or 250 shot. I can't remember. I sold all this stuff. And the reason I sold all this stuff is because the one I stopped with you guys, that motor right there, was in my Cutlass, which I still have, guys. Don't worry, I still have it. It does have a stock 5.3 now. I took the whole turbo kit off of it, and I just wanted something to cruise. I'm sick of working on things more than I am enjoying them. As I say that, I have that thing all ripped apart and working on it. Funny how that works. And I could have enjoyed it. The motor was running fine. It needed a refresh, but anyways. So I ended up getting rid of it. Or not rid of it. Pulling that motor when I got this car. Because I said, you know what? Built 6.0. Board stroked 370. Doesn't need to be in a street car. It can be. Don't get me wrong. It can be. And I did drive it twice, and it was fun. And I didn't get video. I'm sorry. But I want to push that thing to its limits. It's an iron block LQ4. So I figure if I push it to its limits, we'll see what it'll do. I kind of want to go for a stock bottom end. It's got a stock crank. So we'll see on that. But here's where we're at with this. I know I should have took video. But we fully cut the front end off. We're working on it today. It's going to get long travel, but I want to be able to tie it down so I can do some front side, back side, everything side. No prep stuff. And yes, the name is Blue Waffle. The woman actually named it that because it was funny. It was a standout. So when I go to no prep things, people will remember that name because they're going to laugh at it. Went to War in the Woods last year. I think I have one video of that. I'll try to get it involved in this video since this will be just a short recap. And start up to hopefully more stuff. Again, I really need to push on this because watching everybody build their stuff is fun. And I'm hoping I can invite you along on my journey of building something. It's going to be slow. Like I said, I'm still looking for a house. There's just not a lot around here, guys. You were with me when I got this shop. So I'm going to be leaving the shop as soon as I get a house because I am looking for one with a shop or one where I can build a shop immediately. Rather prefer with a shop because I'll be the one building it, and I guess that's a project I could put on here and go through and whatever, but I'd rather walk into the shop with you guys on camera and show you what we're doing. I also have a fourth child on the way. So I got another little girl coming. So I have now 3 girls and a boy. And along with the juniors, I'll have to get one more because I'm going to have 3 phases of kids and juniors at 3 different times. So the nice thing is once the 3rd one goes through, I can sell it and move forward into whatever happens. But this is what my son calls his car. Like I said, it's a 79 Malibu. Nothing special. Old bracket car. It'll stay old bracket car style outside of front end stuff. I plan on running E probably this year if I get it running. This year it will be an E85 setup, but long-term goal is methanol. Like I said, with the 4th kid on the way, money gets tight, so maybe if I get this channel going, you guys can enjoy that ride with me, and we can have a good time. But as you can see, fuel cell's out, everything's out. Sold a bunch of stuff. Got small tires over there. 12 bolt with drums still, guys. Still has drums. But I also bought that up there, so it'll have fiberglass front end. I am not sparing money on this build, guys. I'm finding deals, don't get me wrong. I am looking for the deals, and I am waiting for deals. But I want a competitive car when I come out. So when I come out, if it's not this year and it's the year after, this car will be 100% competitive in the no prep scene, road and track. So I want to get myself in some trouble with this car. I shouldn't say trouble, I guess. Into good things, and have a lot of fun and be competitive and run for money and be able to. With the old setup, when I ran at War in the Woods, I went out there to just see what it was like, and I fell in love. So I'm gonna keep going, and I hope you guys are with me on this journey, and we can have some fun, and I can videotape some track stuff. But there's the old 370. She's a girl, but that's where we're at. Like I said, I still have... Oh, I gotta show you another project. I'm gonna try to get some video on this too. Not mine, but it is my old man's, and I'm gonna be helping him. He's putting an LS and a bunch of stuff into that. Try to get some lights here. But here's his motor. Aluminum block 5.3. Guy's got more money than me. Poverty builds over here without Q4s. Open this up so I can take you over here. Don't lose me. All right. As you can see, still have it. Still here. Still missing a bunch of stuff. But no more turbo. I just want to enjoy it, guys, like I said. But it is still here. I have a couple things to finish up. I'm thinking next month. I'm thinking April. I'm probably going to hit this for a weekend. I have to get the exhaust on it. Fab up some mounts for the radiator here to go on there nicely. And then an intake. And just a couple things that are very tiny. I'm going to manual brakes from Power. I keep blowing out I think it was because I was turbo, but I keep blowing out the Power brake booster. So I don't really want to mess with that anymore. And I have some decent brakes on there, so I might as well enjoy the manual setup and pump the brakes. If it's too hard, I can throw Power right back on it. I have to buy a new booster anyways, so might as well try it with manual first. Trying to think what else. Up in tools a little bit. Got a couple new tools. Trying to do more work on my own. I do have my buddy helping me with that drag Malibu. He's going to be involved in a bunch of parts of it because right now I'm still working quite a bit, so I'm going to update myself as much as I can right now until the baby is here, and I should be coming down on hours a little bit at work for a while so I can work on some stuff and enjoy time with kids. So that's where we're at. Car's sweet. Oh, he also got one more thing. Sorry, I just gotta get my keys here. So, he also got this. So now all I have to get is an enclosed trailer. And we should be good to go to a bunch of racing events. With the kids and stuff. He wanted to go camping more with my kids. I wanted to go racing more. So he bought a diesel pusher so we can enjoy everything. So it's not brand new. Very nice. Far from new. We've put some work into it, but I think we went over my truck last time. I have a couple videos of that. She's been down for a while. Yeah, not too happy about that. I got the trans went out and some guys got my tranny right now and I'm trying to fight to get it back. But well, I thank you guys for listening, following along. I'll edit this and update this and get this going as fast as I can. I plan on hopefully doing a video a week. I'm gonna try my best. Roll on with me, guys, please. I appreciate it. I am videoing off of my iPhone, so everything is not perfect. But as we go along, I really want to push forward on this. I really want to get better with this and enjoy this because, like I said, when I get on YouTube, I love watching these builds, guys. Like, I love watching the no prep stuff. And just another channel that you can watch it on. Different angles, different areas. I'm from northern area of Wisconsin, so I think a lot of the events I will be going to may not be massive yet, so we'll see where we go. Thanks, guys. Follow along.